All right, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna make right now for myself, because it's such a simple way to get a lot of iodine and you don't need to spend a lot on supplements. And I always feel like it probably is better if we can get it from food. I know there's a lot of people that have different points of view, different ideas, and whatever. I'm just gonna share a really simple recipe. So you get one of these. Let me show you. See if the camera. Nori. So this is just dried seaweed in like a square wrap. So there's no excuse for this about time, because it's so quick, so easy. The only kind of like excuse could be money. This is like $6.99 I think I got it for, and it brings like 10 sheets, but they're insanely thin. So I'll show you. It's insanely thin. It doesn't break when you're making a wrap, but it's so freaking thin, really thin. So here's what you do. So one sheet of this has like 25%, I think. Where's the iodine? Come on. 35 micrograms. 25% of your daily needs, right? Then you add avocado. Then there's this beautiful thing right here, dulse. What you can do, so that's only half of an avocado. You could put one if you want more, but you can like sprinkle this as much as you want. And I'm just gonna be fully honest. The first one that I had, the first like nori sheet that I had, the taste was a little weird. I'm not gonna lie. But I feel like you get used to it the more. I mean, if people like sushi, that kind of stuff, like depending on what kind of foods you like, I feel like you might actually love that. You might hate it. I don't know, but just try it out and see what you feel like. But if this is not enough iodine, then you can get dulse in a bag. It comes out. I'll show you. You just bring some out. So it's all like together. You just break up little chunks and you chew that. I'm not gonna start chewing on camera, but this I actually love the taste. Now it tastes like pretty salty when you're not used to it, but I actually really enjoy the taste now. I really got used to this. And this is not very clear with the servings, but a serving size would be 1/3 of a cup, and there's 8 servings per bag, right? Or 8 servings, but that would be a lot. I think if you divide this in 8, that would be a lot. But one serving has, let me find it, 780% of the iodine that you need in a day, according to all these percentages and whatever. But that's a lot. So you don't need a lot to get your needs of iodine. So between these, and you can get these at Whole Foods or any like health food store. They have different ones now with like kelp, and they have different varieties with sea salt already, and so a lot of different varieties. I like the taste. I like how this tastes on food, and you can just have a little bit of this before your meal and with the nori sheet, and then you can add any kind of spices that you want, any vegetables, whatever the hell you want to add to this. It's gonna taste really good if you get used to this. But you have a ton of iodine, a ton. Very healthy, very easy to make, very quick. No excuse, unless you hate the taste. But I just want to share this idea. Hope it helps. More coming.